Hi everybody, and welcome back to Freakin' Jeep, and working on an '05 Grand Cherokee, which we're going to change the oil pressure sensor. So many people got sometimes the gauge goes flat, you start it up and you got no oil pressure. If you've got a gauge, this one's got just an idiot light, and sitting at a stop and go light when it's warm, the light will flicker and then it beeps at you and it drives you nuts. I hooked up a oil pressure fluid gauge, and it showed good oil pressure throughout the range, so that tells me the sensor is bad. You can come along for a ride, take a look. It's going to be the same thing if you have a 99 to 04 Grand Cherokee also. This is a 4.7. I believe it's the exact same spot on a 3.7, so yeah, come along, let's take a look. Alright, I'm looking at the front of the engine. There's a harmonic balancer, the oil filter. Let's see if I can get you up in there. Take a look. Maybe. You can see there's a plug. That plug right there, that's the oil pressure sensor. Got one wire on it. Little button on the side, on the back. You push that and you can pull that off. And then it's got an 1 1/16" socket that fits on there. Go up there with a wrench and take it loose. You're going to want to have a catch bucket ready, oil pan of some sort, because chances are you're going to get a little oil that comes out of here. This thing's hooked up right above pretty much like an artery, like a blood vein in your body. As soon as you put a hole in it, it starts to leak. What happened in your blood? You put a hole in yourself, it starts to leak out. Trust me, I know. I've done it plenty of times here, working on cars. Get it started by hand. Be sure not to cross thread it. The belt is kind of in the way too. It comes out kind of centered on the belt. But when you're using the socket, try not to bend it back and forth, because otherwise you break the sensor off and you got to start all over again. That's no fun. Probably easier if you take the oil filter out too. You can see what you're doing. I got the camera to look through. That kind of helps. I just wanted to turn it a little bit more so it's a little easier to line up and put this wire back on. Click, and that's replaced. Pretty simple job. Can be done in the driveway in about this time. This is live video. I'm gonna edit out about a minute out of it where I'm changing some tools around. That's about it. Yeah, so here we go. That's all done. It took about 5 minutes. If you do it while you're changing oil, you know, you got to lay under the truck anyway. You're going to have a drain pan out. Got to pull the oil filter off anyway, chances are, so you can see what you're doing. Nice bright light, 1 1/16 socket and a ratchet, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to hit that little button down there that says subscribe so you come back and watch another video. If you like the video, hit like. If there's something I did wrong, feel free to leave it in the comments right down there. I might respond. I don't know, it depends how time goes. Thanks for watching.